Welcome everybody. I wanted to show you my Bohemian slow stitched and some of it's machine stitched table set that I started working on. I showed you this piece in another video. I worked the whole thing on the video for you and showed you how I created that, then used my scrappy trim as the binding on this kind of mini table runner. Okay, I love it. Actually, you can use both sides of it. So if one side gets stained or something, just flip it over and use the other side. But I needed more because I have this 8-foot table, and I needed more of these to go down the center of the table to act like trivets or to set dishes and things on. And so I finished that one. Now let me show you what I did. I made a couple of small ones. Okay. They are also reversible. This one, I machine stitched all the binding. This one, I hand stitched it. Okay, and overcast the edge. Okay. So these two are the same shape. They're smaller. Then this one I also made in a video that talked about how to use your snippets as a binding, and I showed you that one in a different video, and I love that. Now this is a little bit bigger and made like the other ones, and this one I haven't put a backing on. I need to do that. Forgot that. We'll have to hand sew a backing on that one. Okay. This one is a bigger. Isn't that pretty? I just love how that turned out. It has its backing. It's reversible. Okay. So that gives me a long skinny one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different size ones to go down that table. So that's going to be plenty to put things on. Okay. Then I made some coasters. I made some rectangle sized ones. Okay, just hand stitched around the edge. That's double-sided. Okay, these all have double sides. And then I made some round ones. Okay, all right, they're all the same on the back, but they have different fronts. Okay, so I am so pleased with this set. I just can't wait now to have some company and put out my dishes on my table on these really pretty mats. And it wasn't hard to do, especially that I already have the trim pre-made up that I make. And so just running it around the edges of the machine, sewing it on there was so easy. And so anyway, I wanted to share that with you and hope maybe you'll get inspired and make a set for your table. It's kind of boho, it's kind of scrappy, and it's kind of icky chic. I love it. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.